Alright guys, this is West Hollywood in Robertson. If you guys have seen my old vlogs, this is where I like pretty much used to shop all the time. Like grew up on these streets. With Jacob, we're going to walk to lunch. But yeah, I used to like come here all the time. Like I grew up literally going to everything here. Kitson, Mac, like everywhere. Mac closed down. Like all the places that I used to go to, they're like gone. It's kind of sad. Mac relocated as well. Kitson is like, had its like 10 different names and then it came back to Kitson. But yeah, it's still fun. Beach Bunny is gone. Like a lot of the stores I used to go to back in the day are gone, but it's okay. It's still fun. Oh my god, All Saints is gone too.
So crazy.
Yeah. Well, we're gonna get some lunch. So Robertson is actually pretty chill. Oh my gosh, guys, you guys know I'm obsessed with this house. I'm back at it again, shooting again here at Yaron and Gabby's house with my friend Tiffany. She's right there. She's so cute. This house is so big. You look like so tiny. It's like so big. She's so cute. She's one of my favorite photographers and one of my dear friends. I'm obsessed with my makeup today because I actually took the time to do it. But yeah, I am so wearing lashes, Batty B lashes in the style Extra. Really love them. I've been really loving like really extra lashes these days. I used to be scared of like super long ones, but I really like these a lot. I mean, I was never scared of thick ones, but like if they were too long, I was scared. But now I'm obsessed. So cute. All right, I'm gonna change to my look 2. My first look is from Pretty Little Thing. Alright guys, I just got home from Vanity Makeup's studio in Pasadena. I just got home and I'm actually about to take off my makeup. They did a kind of like light glam, like full skin but light on the eyes for today's shoot. It is her yeah, secret project that is coming out soon. I don't know if I could say it here because I don't know when this vlog is coming out, but yeah, we are shooting for her thing. And yeah, I'm super excited. So that will be out really soon. But I'm gonna take off all my makeup and go to yoga because I'm so cold and I want my body to warm up. It's been freezing here in LA and I just love working out because it makes me feel so good. So I'm gonna go do that because it makes me happy. But yeah, I'm gonna go there, change my yoga clothes real quick, and I am heading to the gym. Good morning, guys. It is the first Saturday of the year, 2020, and I am in the gym parking lot and I'm gonna go to yoga. Super excited to work out. I'm gonna be working out a lot this year, hopefully more than last year. So I'm gonna be doing the vlogs again because I haven't been doing them and I miss them. So the gym vlogs are coming. Today I can't record in the yoga class, but I am going and I will see you guys when I get out. Okay, you guys. Oh, I need to clean this mirror. But anyways, I'm ready to go to the Laker game. I'm gonna actually wear this really cute IMGA jacket. I've been wearing IMGA like every single day. It's so crazy. Don't mind the mess. I was obviously getting ready, and every time I get ready and all sorts of stuff, I try on so many things. So that's why it is so crazy messy in here. But yeah, this is my jacket. I haven't worn this for a whole year. Like, that's so sad. So I'm so excited to wear this to the Laker game. I might change into the jersey because my friend Angel, who's so amazing, one of my best friends, has a jersey at his house for me. So we'll see. I kind of like this look. I was gonna wear this puffy purple cropped jacket, but I felt like it was like a little much. It's from IMG as well, but I felt like this is like casual and like not trying too hard to be like a super Laker fan, you know what I mean? I am a Laker fan, but like I just felt like this is just like, you know, casual, like I'm gonna go to a Laker game. But the jersey might too. We'll see how I feel. I really love this jacket. I can't believe it's been a year since I wore it. Like a lot of my jackets, a lot of my clothes I actually don't wear that often or repeat, but I'm gonna bring this back. I might wear it again. It's so cute. Okay guys, I just got to Angel's house. It's so nice, so clean here. So I'm actually wearing this really cute IMG reflective jacket. And I was gonna wear this to the Laker game. But he brought out this cute jersey. And I don't know if I'm gonna switch to it. Like, what do you guys think? I mean, it is cute, huh? Is it a moment? Should we do it? I don't know. Okay, I feel like I look like a boy. Like, I never wear stuff like this. What do you guys think? I mean, it could be cute if it was like that, or like that, huh? Like that. Like, it would need to be like a situation. I feel like I would need to do that.
Green. Starting at center, number 7 feet, 12 seasons from Nevada, Jamil McGee. And one forward, number 3.
I need something to poke.
The last 30 seconds of the game.
I'm like,
We have 101 and 19. The lighting is bomb here, actually. We love the lighting. We appreciate the lighting here. Okay guys, I just got back from the Laker game, peeled off my lashes. I should take off all my makeup right now, but I'm just so hungry, and we were gonna go eat after, but half of the group that came with us had pizza there, and Angel and I didn't eat, so I was gonna hang out with him. We were gonna order food, but I just came home because I feel like that will be the healthier option right now. And honestly, I went to yoga yesterday, but today I didn't, and I feel like pretty bummed that I didn't do that. I'm letting the water boil because I'm gonna have hot water with my meal, and this is gonna be my late night snack because it's literally 10:42. The game ended around 9:40, so I'm gonna have this kale medley salad. I'm gonna add this. I actually found this microwavable vegetable pilaf with quinoa. I'm gonna put that in, put some dressing on, and I'm gonna add this gluten-free everything baked crackers. I've been eating that a lot, so I'm gonna mix it all together, make a little salad, and I'll show you guys. I'm gonna also add chow vegan cheese in this mix as well, so I'll show you guys in a second. And I do have tofurkey again, the peppered one, so I might add that too. So I'll show you guys in a second. I just took a bite. It's so good. So what I put on top is this green goddess salad dressing, and I also got this one, Newman's Own classic oil and vinegar. Mixed it up, had the quinoa, which was warm. This is tofurkey, peppered tofurkey. It's so good, actually. It like kind of looks nasty in the packaging, or like the by itself, but it's pretty good. I added the crackers, a little bit of red onions, and chow cheese, chow vegan cheese, which is so good. A little expensive, but it's yummy. So this is my midnight snack. All right guys, I love that there is a ring light in this office, that my vlogs are gonna be popping even if I have no makeup on at all. There's lighting in here, which is amazing. So I'm here for dysport. I have nothing on my face. Well, last night I put on Fresh Beauty Youth Dream Cream. And then this morning when I woke up, I just washed my face and put on a little bit more of Fresh Beauty. But yeah, I have nothing on my face and I'm gonna get dysport. So dysport is a softer version of Botox. I think it works for me. I love that there's a ring light in here. Susie's here. She's like the master like injector and the nurse. She's so amazing. But yeah, I'm doing dysport today. And it's lasted me 4 months, which I think is pretty good. Exactly, because I feel like 3 months is usually like the time where people want to like come in and like re-up. But 4 months is really good. I feel like it would last some people like 6 months or 5 months, depending on, you know, how you process it. Like I work out a lot, so maybe it like lasts a little bit less. I don't know. Yay, so excited. All right guys, I just got out. So at first, when you like, right when you come out, you like have like little alien bumps because, you know, they like poke you or whatever. And then it just like kind of fades out throughout the day. So after this, no lifting or working out or moving your head like forward or anything like that, because you don't want it to move. So you can't work out after that, like at all, for the whole day. So I'm not going to be working out, but there it is. That is dysport. I love it. I love coming to Flawless Laser Center. They do everything. They do laser hair removal, fillers, Botox, dysport. They do the Bella shape, which tightens your skin. Like if you want to, like after you work out, like I go there and it tightens like my belly area, abs area. They also have they have so many different things. They have Ultra Shape, which is actually like fat melting, but the one that I like is Vela Shape, which is where they tighten the skin. And I feel like I looked super snatched when I did it. Like I'll do the like workout, and then I'll do like a sauna or a steam room or a sweat session, and then I'll get the Vela Shape, then I get a spray tan, and then I go to whatever vacation. So when it's like a tropical place, when you have to be in a swimsuit, you know what I mean? Because working out is always amazing. Like I always wear like cropped everything like this. This is just a Aloe Yoga legging and bra set. But yeah, so I'm gonna head out, drive back home, but I just want to update you guys on what it looks like. And it just basically, like Botox relaxes the muscle and just kind of makes you look snatched. So yeah, leaving Flawless Laser Center and going back home.